What's up, guys? So today we are installing charge pipes for the Saturn Sky. This is the final part before we get the car tuned. So I'm pretty excited. The charge pipes aren't gonna do a lot for horsepower, maybe 3 to 5 or something very minimal. But I am getting them done for the tune, which that will be where our major gains come from. Let me show you the charge pipes. So I went with a gold color, and the charge pipes are these right here. This, and then that one right there. I'm pretty excited to install these. I think these will really give the engine bay a little bit of color pop. So I just took off one side. It was pretty easy. It's just this clamp. There's a bracket that goes here that you take off. Another bracket right here. And then that clamp. So you can see the stock one right here has this part where it cuts down, whereas the new one does not. As you'll see here when I put it on, it was pretty easy to take it off. Just, do it with some force and you'll be able to pop it off. So let's get this one on and see how it looks. That's one side down. If you're doing this yourself, just make sure you tighten the clamps back up, but not too tight where they snap. Remember to reconnect these, and yeah, pretty simple. It looks really good. You won't be using the brackets anymore, so I'll just be putting the bolt back in there just so it doesn't look like there's something missing. But yeah, pretty simple install. So let's get to the other side. So I got both of them installed and it's looking really good. See, the gold gives it a nice little pop. They offer a bunch of different colors, green, blue, red, purple, pink, whatever. I went with the gold kind of to go with the tan top and the tan seats. Kind of a gold kind of goes with it. And the bronze wheels. But yeah, the car is ready for the tune, and I was gonna get an intake, but it already has a K&N drop-in filter, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, and just go ahead and get it tuned. I don't think an intake is gonna make that much of a difference. So I'm gonna go for a test drive and see if I notice any differences. Just got back from the test drive, and I went and got a haircut. And to be honest, the car feels about the same amount of quickness. It doesn't feel any faster. But what I will say is, like, the very first maybe 5-10% of throttle, it gives you a little bit more. The throttle response is just that little bit better. Nothing crazy. It's not like a ginormous difference, but I do feel that like little first 10% of throttle is just that little bit more responsive. But again, this wasn't really so much for the power as it is preparing it for the tune. So I will be getting a tune in the near future, and of course I will be making a video about that. So for today, that's it.